Hi Roses, it's Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today's video is a little different. This is going to be an unboxing, but it's going to be an unboxing of clothes. Yes, I haven't done that in a very, very long time. Make sure you go ahead and press subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss these videos. Today's unboxing is actually from Forever 21. Now, I don't know if you've heard news, read online, heard in the blogs that Forever 21 has filed bankruptcy and they are closing like 200 stores, y'all. So anyway, I decided to go ahead and place an order online, thanks to the hubby, and got a few things. This is a mini haul. This is not huge, and I'm probably not going to try these clothes on, but let me just show you what I got, okay? So it came packed like this. First item here actually matches with the lipstick I have in Teacup Cosmetics Vixen. I got it for this reason. Okay, so this particular shirt I got for several reasons, like I just said. The color, and it's a nice satin-like look here. Nice and feminine. It crisscrosses underneath the chest area, which I like because V-necks are appealing to those with a thicker neck area like me. Also, it has, which is good for people who have a little bit more stuffing in the stomach area like me. Now it is 3/4 sleeves, which I normally don't like, but I just went ahead and went with it because they balloon out a little bit. So this is a nice shirt if you have an event to go to, photo shoot, or you just want to look cute like me. So that's the first item, and this is a size large, and this is nice and cute with a little bow, which is basically just for decoration because you can't tighten it or loosen it because there's elastic here. So that's the first item. Second item I got here is because I don't have anything this color. I have a bunch of head wraps with this color in it. But I don't really have anything this color, and also it's sweater weather. Also, it's the color of the season. Mustard yellow sweater. This is long sleeve. This is not a long sweater. This is one that's going to hit you right at your waist or higher, depending on how tall you are. Right now I have high-waisted jeans on, and that hits right where the high waist stops at the top. Also V-neck because I need anything I can to take eyes away from this neck. Pretty soft here. I forgot what this is made with. Very pretty. This is also in the size large. You want to go by, bust size, waist size, hips. So it depends. Every brand has different sizing. Make sure you look at the size charts to know for sure. So that's why I ended up getting a large in this instead of extra. Next item here I had to get. I haven't listened to her music for a while, and one of her songs came on the radio, and that is Miss Aaliyah. I kind of wish it was a long sleeve screen tee because it is cold right now in Portland, Oregon. We're heading into winter season, but still fall. But this is so cute. Yes. Fall colors all through this. I got this in a medium large. Their sizing for these shirts is a little different. It was like small, medium, large, and those were the only sizes available. And the medium large, my measurements fit within the large, so I took a chance with this. Looks like this will be just perfect. Loose enough in the stomach area, which is what I'm mostly concerned with. 3 items and I have 2 more. Okay, this, what is this? This is a must-have this season, and really almost any season except for, you know, summer, unless it's cold nights. But a basic black hoodie. It only zips down to basically chest area, and then the rest of it is just made just like an old-fashioned pull-on hoodie. You have the pockets. Drawstring of the hood is in black. I'm not really a fan of hoodies with a white string because sometimes it just stands out way too much. And this is made with fleece, so it's nice and soft in the inside. And this one I got in the size large. Plenty of room here. Last item. Last item I needed here, even though I already have on black jeans, and these I think I got from Fashion Nova like a few years ago. But you know what? I need more black jeans. You can never have enough black jeans, and black jeans go with whatever during any season. So I picked these up. What's interesting about this size, and again, remember I told you the sizing chart is a little different for Forever 21. These are in 12, y'all. And I haven't officially been in size 12 for a while. I've been in between like 12, 14, and then it depends on other off brands. I can get up to 16, 17, which again goes by their measurements and depending on where they're coming from. So if they come from China, you know, everything is super small and their sizing is a little different, and that's just keeping it real compared to sizing in the United States and our build, our general build in the United States. So these particular jeans zip up, and there's a little loop for the zipper, and I guess that's just for decoration. Each and every pocket here are usable, so they're just not just there for decoration. Nothing fancy on the ends, no fringe, no rips, no tears. Kind of like what I wanted, but this is the basic black jean, and these are supposed to be high-waisted. High waist helps y'all. Y'all ladies, you know, if we got a little bit extra in the middle, that high waist will help flatten everything out for you. So that's it. Those are my 5 items. Let me know if you purchased anything from Forever 21 online before, how the sizing worked for you. Did you find what you need? Have you gotten all the jeans, hoodies, sweaters, and attire that you may want for all those events you'll be going to this season? Let me know. Let me know if you want me to do more unboxings like this. Let me know if you actually want me to start trying on some of these clothes. Just let me know. Anyway, if you watched this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.